In a world increasingly dominated by digital experiences, cybersecurity has become crucial to our day-to-day lives. Now, a new change is sweeping through the world of online security: passkeys. Experts from renowned companies like 1Password and Google are heralding passkeys as the future, promising a passwordless realm that's both more secure and user-friendly. But what exactly are passkeys, and why should you care? Imagine a future where you no longer need to remember lengthy, complex passwords. This is the promise of passkeys. Unlike traditional passwords, passkeys rely on dual-key cryptography, which means they're composed of a public key stored on a company's server and a private key kept securely on your device. This two-part system not only simplifies the login process, but also provides an exceptional level of security. When you log in, only your device can solve the cryptographic challenge, rendering any intercepted data useless to hackers. Over the past year, the adoption of passkeys has surged, particularly among users of platforms like 1Password. In fact, data reveals that passkey use among 1Password subscribers has skyrocketed, with millions of authentications occurring each month. This trend highlights a significant shift in consumer behavior, moving away from outdated password systems and embracing a more secure alternative. Why this sudden shift, you might ask? Well, the answer lies in the inherent vulnerabilities associated with passwords. Weak and reused passwords are like an open invitation for cybercriminals. They can be easily guessed or phished, leading to unauthorized access and data breaches. Passkeys, on the other hand, are resistant to such attacks because they don't involve sharing sensitive credentials over the internet. Even if a hacker tries to intercept your login details without the private key, they're left with nothing of value. But if passkeys are so superior, why aren't passwords obsolete already? The answer is rooted in familiarity and education. Despite their flaws, passwords have become deeply ingrained in our digital habits. The challenge now is to educate the masses on the simplicity and security of passkeys. Companies are making strides in this direction, integrating passkey technology into more devices and services, thus encouraging wider adoption. What about concerns over mobile security? With passkeys often linked to smartphones, there's an understandable apprehension about losing access if a device is lost or stolen. Fortunately, passkey systems have mechanisms in place to mitigate this. Passkeys can be synced across different devices, allowing users to regain access by signing in on an alternative device. Moreover, companies have backup options such as SMS or email verification to ensure users can recover their accounts seamlessly. In conclusion, the era of passkeys is dawning, offering a promising solution to the cybersecurity challenges posed by traditional passwords. As more companies and individuals embrace this technology, the shift towards a passwordless future seems not just possible but inevitable. It's a leap towards enhanced security and ease of use, making our online interactions safer and more efficient. So, as we stand at the cusp of this digital transformation, embracing change and educating ourselves about these advancements is not just beneficial, it's essential.